Alright, we're back at it. We got our recessed outlets so that when you hang your wall mount TV, the cords don't hit the back of the TV. And then you get your ground. Black goes to bronze. White wire goes to clear silver bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these together. So remember, the top one always starts at the top. Whatever wire I have going to the bottom outlet. And then you gotta, when you do the hook it to how the screw is gonna tighten up. Once you get these started, a little less room on these. All right, we got that one in. When the screw tightens to the right, you want it to tighten up on the hook. White to silver. The ground you're going to tie together. Black to the bronze. And then you just spin it. Stick it on the top screw. Fold it over. I use needle nose pliers in the beginning to fold all of these copper wires over. So you get this. This is what I'll bring up the camera here, show you what I got going on. Black. You can see when you tighten the screw to the right, it's going to tighten up and fold it over. All right. And then this next one, we're gonna bring this black one to there. This white one goes the other side, and the grounds get spliced together. It's gonna end up looking kind of like that. White to white, ground to ground, black to that side. Oh, there it is. Black gets hooked in, and white. White to ground gets hooked in. Looks like that. And then I'll be back on to show you the finished product.